Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm super excited for today's video. I'm going to be customizing some IKEA throw pillows. So I just picked up a few of these cute little IKEA cushion covers. So they're nice like little basic IKEA cushion covers, and I'm going to go ahead and personalize those a little bit. I have this like really cute beige one. It's got like a beige and white interwoven fabric. It kind of like almost looks like linen, which is nice. And I have this nice little plain white one, which we're gonna do something really fun with. IKEA has a lot of really nice basic cushion covers, and if you just take those and add a little bit to it, it actually makes it look super nice and a little bit less generic. So I'm gonna start with this white one over here. So I saw this really cute little DIY on McKenna's channel where she just took a leaf. So I've got my leaf over here, dipped it into some paint and used that to create a nice pattern on the pillow. So I'm gonna try and recreate that, obviously with a bit of a different color scheme, and we'll see how that one goes. Don't ask me what happened to this leaf. The whole tree was like this. I guess we must have some sort of like caterpillars or something. I've got my paints over here. I probably should be using fabric paint, but I don't have any, and I don't feel like going out and getting any, so we'll see if this works. So I'm going to take my piece of cardboard and I'm just going to slip that into the pillowcase so that when I do the stamps, it doesn't go through to the other side. Okay, so I just did a little tester and I think this came out nicer when I brushed the paint onto the leaf so that there's not like too much paint. It's a little bit more even in all the areas. So I'm going to just brush my paint onto the leaf and then use that as my little stamp. Okay, and I want to make sure to get the stem also because I want to try and have like that stem in the pattern as well. Okay, so I've got this. I'm just going to start in the top corner over here and I will press it down. Hope this works. I'm going to take this little cardboard over here and I'm going to press down on the cardboard. Ooh, that's very pretty. So it's okay that it's not perfect. It's actually like part of the look. And once we have more of these on there, it'll look so good. Okay, so when I do the corners, I actually don't want to have like a perfect leaf in the corner. I kind of want it to like run off the edges a little bit. For my next little personalized throw pillow, I'm going to take this hilarious IKEA pillow. It's got like a nice like linen sort of type look to it. So I pretty much just want to create some nice straight lines in an arrow with some black yarn. When I sew, I don't want to have to go and sew each stitch on its own, so I kind of just do a couple and weave the needle through the fabric a couple times before pulling the thread through, and so that just makes it a little bit quicker. And you also want to make sure that because this is a pillowcase and you want to be able to fit a pillow inside, that you're not sewing the two pieces of fabric together. So you kind of want to pick it up and make sure you're only catching one side of the fabric. So little tip for shopping at IKEA, they have a couple different kinds of pillow inserts. One of them is called the inner, and the other one is called the Fjajar, whatever it is. This name right here. This one is so much better. It's only like $2 more, but it's feather filled, and it actually gives your pillows like a much plumper look. Like if you see this white one over here is like a little bit loose, it's barely filling out the pillow. But the black one over here, same size pillow, but it's actually nice and plump and just makes your decor look so much prettier. So those are my DIY throws. I think they turned out super cute. I love IKEA stuff, but having something that has just a little bit of a personal touch feels a lot more homey. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my DIY and home decor videos, and leave me a comment down below if you have any ideas for any other throw pillows or throw blankets. Bye guys, see you next time.